We've come to the end of the year, and 2017 is upon us. What is in store for MDC?
The MDC has two main issues that it is going to deal with. It is going to fight for electoral reforms together with others in the NERA group. It is also going to discuss with other groups on how to strengthen the opposition. It is good. These groups don't necessarily have to be political parties. They could be other groups. MDC has always worked with other people, civil society and so on. We are very circumspect when it comes to coalitions per se. Number one is the MDC. Our thrust is that you cannot have a coalition with too many partners. Otherwise, you end up with a cabinet of presidents. Every minister is a president of his political party, and that's unworkable. The MDC will only wage cooperations or coalitions with select partners, because a coalition of too many people is not workable. But coalitions per se are not the answer. What is the answer is for people to mobilize, and also for people to make sure that voter registration is done, and that those people who are entitled to vote actually get the opportunity to vote. So next year is an election year for the MDC. We are going to decide the 2018 election by December 2017.
Back on coalition, what criteria are you going to use who to be in coalition with you? Because you've said there are too many parties. What criteria is MDC or the benchmark that they're going to use in partnering some of the political parties?
Number one is compatibility. It is important that people are compatible. We have seen some political leaders already showing that they cannot coexist with others, of being associated with that partner. And this strategic advantage could be membership, it could be control of a certain political niche market, it could be extraordinary expertise. And extraordinary expertise, in our view, is expertise which the MDC doesn't have. And in most of MDC almost has everything when it comes to expertise. But there are certain things that may be important. We also look at the numerical strength of the partner. It's an important consideration. And the ideological thrust of that partner is important. The values that partner stands for.